After using this stuff a couple of times, I decided that I probably should do something I could have done earlier. Sat down and read the packet. They make some pretty big claims on here. World's strongest bond, steel reinforced, 4,000 psi strength. That kind of explains why it behaved the way it did. When I first used it on that broken engine casing, I quickly realised I didn't have time to fuck around. 5 minutes working time, an hour to cure. Yeah, making sense. And that's what got me thinking. It was this bit that caught my eye. After 60 minutes, it can be drilled, tapped, machined, ground, filed, and painted. This shit ain't just for repairs. It's a material. It got me thinking. There's so many ideas now. Could it be used as a tool? Could it be used other than mechanical? Could it be used for an extreme case of ball baggery? I don't know. I haven't tried yet. I recognise there's endless potential with this stuff. There are things that I wouldn't want to attempt with it. Yeah, there's them jobs where you need the right tools and the right materials. But it's definitely something that earns its place in the toolbox. And it brought me back to the reason I discovered this, which was that snapped bolt. And it got me wondering, although I used this to fix the damage after it happened, could something like this be used to prevent that damage from happening in the first place?